Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel once again. If you're a new subscriber, I give you a warmly welcome and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you as well and welcome back to another episode on my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make simple Chinese fried rice. So let's go straight to the ingredients. I have green bell pepper, carrots, cooked rice, red bell pepper, sweet corn, 2 medium eggs. This is garlic and ginger seasoning. I have meat seasoning, fried rice seasoning. I have green peas, spring onion, minced meat, dark soya sauce. I have oil and cayenne pepper. So kindly stay with me. If today your first time here and you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscription button. And all ingredients and its measurements will be left in the description section for you. So stay tuned. So I'll start by steaming my minced meat. I'll add a little oil, onions, cayenne pepper, garlic, and ginger seasoning, and the other seasoning. You have to do this under medium heat for 10 minutes so that the seasoning will be well incorporated into the meat. It gets So I'll add a little water. Because there is salt in the seasoning, I'll add a pinch of salt to it. Just slow. So I'm going to taste if the seasoning is okay. You're on course. This is a simple recipe that was encouraged by Chinese. You know, in China, they frown on leftover food. I think they frown on wasting food. So, after cooking rice, the next day they try to add a little salt to it. So that's how it came about this fried rice, this recipe. So it's 5 minutes. I'm going to take it off and start with the other vegetables. I'll pour oil in my frying pan. Then crack my eggs into it like this. Add a pinch of salt. Okay, so it's ready. I'll transfer it into a into separate bowls. Then continue with other vegetables. I know most homes frown on wasting of food, so after cooking rice the next day, if you think you want to waste it by throwing it away, you can easily try this recipe. You can use different types of vegetables. So I have oil in my pan. I'm using the same pan. I'll add my chopped onions. It's very simple. Very simple to do. When you are doing things like this in the house, it helps you to control the cholesterol level in the food. So you know what to put in and what not to put in. This recipe is enjoyed by everyone in my house. It's rather unfortunate that I'm left alone today. So I'm doing the video myself. There's no one to help. So as you can see, my carrot is in now. So I'm going to saute all the vegetables for 5 minutes. I'll add the sweet corn. And green pepper. That's the green bell pepper. And the red bell pepper. At this stage, I'll add my fried rice seasoning and a bit of the garlic and ginger seasoning. So for my vegetarians, at this point you can choose to stop. You will not add any other things, you just add your rice. Okay, yes, that's after adding the green peas and the spring onions. Yes, you can add it to your meal, being it rice, plain rice, jollof, or any other form of rice. So I'll leave it to steam for 2 minutes, then stir again and add the other vegetables. It's 2 minutes. And give it a stir. I'll add the green peas and the spring onions. So at this point you can taste your vegetables if the salt and the seasoning is okay for you, or you need to add more. I'm okay. I'll add cayenne pepper, a little of it, to give it nice taste. So I'll add the meat in it. At this point, if you think the rice is small, you can take some of the vegetable and mix them into a bowl. Then you start mixing your rice. So this is my rice. So I'm adding the dark sauce. So I'll allow it to steam for 2 minutes, then stir again. Yes, I hope you really enjoyed this episode. I wish you were here to taste it. Very soon, I'll invite you to my channel so that you come and enjoy some of these simple but delicious recipes. Thank you so much for staying with me. If you are yet to subscribe, please do, and share for others to also enjoy this season. So we meet again. I will say bye bye.